create the DIY tank we need cardboard sheet, A4 paper, permanent marker, scissor and a knife, hot glue gun, optional plaster of Paris, optional sandpaper, watercolor and coloring brushes. So this is the template I created for the tank's body. I will provide the link in the description below. Using a paper cutting scissor, I extracted all the shapes from the template. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to make a DIY tank using cardboard sheets. It will only take 20 minutes of your valuable time to create this DIY masterpiece. Then I traced the paper cutouts on pieces of cardboard, and using both scissor and a knife, I extracted all the pieces of cardboard that I need for this project. The history of tank begins with World War I. Armored all-terrain fighting vehicles were introduced to combat the trench warfare, ushering in a new era of mechanized warfare. By World War II, tank design advanced significantly. Though initially raw and unreliable, tanks eventually become a mainstay of the ground armies. Using a hot glue gun, I joined all the cardboard cutouts. Be very careful while using a hot glue gun. Use gloves as much as possible to avoid the hot glue from burning your hand and fingers. By using wood glue instead of hot glue, you can get a cleaner and stronger finish, but hot glue is faster. Hot glue can also be more forgiving, as you can reheat and reglue if you are unsatisfied with your seam. Try applying the hot glue from the inner side as much as possible to leave the outer side neat and clean. So this is how my cardboard tank looks like. Using green, brown and black acrylic color, I painted the body of the tank. It totally depends on what color you want to apply, but please do not paint it red or pink. By changing the shape and size of the cannon, body, caterpillars or the top section of the tank, or by applying a different set of colors, you can generate a new model and add to your DIY collection. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope it helps you. If you want to support me, you can subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thanks. See you again in my next video. Bye now.